Checking temperatures and wearing masks are steps we can all take to help keep people safe. With Checkpoint, organizations can screen people for both in under a second without needing dedicated staff, ongoing maintenance, nor costly installation. In fact, Gardera's freestanding units can be set up in just minutes, offering a quick and easy way to manage entry into your facility while helping to maintain social distancing. Each unit offers 4 key features: fever screening, face mask checks, secure cloud storage, and optional attendance tracking. First, our integrated infrared sensor provides a body temperature measurement that's accurate within plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. To get a measurement, people simply walk up to the screen and place their face into position.
Normal body temperature.
If the person has a body temperature higher than 99.1 degrees, the system will issue an alert. Checkpoint can also send your team a real-time notification each time the system registers an abnormal temperature. These mobile alerts allow designated personnel to quickly identify the person and respond to the situation per your organization's policies. While temperature screening can help identify fever symptoms, face masks help protect against those who are asymptomatic. With Checkpoint, your organization can quickly ensure that your visitors are wearing masks.
Not wearing face mask.
Checkpoint's advanced facial recognition technology can also detect if the mask is worn properly and will alert people to adjust their masks as needed.
Please adjust your mask.
All screening data is encrypted and stored securely on the Google Cloud platform, providing your organization with restrictive access to temperature measurement history. Local data storage is also available on each unit, allowing designated personnel to export measurement data as needed to your organization's own cloud storage solution. Checkpoint also includes more advanced features such as attendance mode. In this mode, Checkpoint only screens registered users, such as employees. Setting up a registered user takes seconds and allows your organization to more closely track your employee entrance data. For an additional fee, it's possible to connect this feature to your organization's existing keycard security via Gardera's API. While there isn't a silver bullet to fight COVID-19, Checkpoint helps your organization do its part for a safer and more secure society.